This kit comes with the ZEM-CWI Smart Controller, an indoor keypad/reader, an indoor maglock, an indoor exit button, 3 power supplies, 10 cards, 10 key tags, and an indoor doorbell speaker. We have kits for out-swinging doors and in-swinging doors, and with 3 different electromagnetic locks weight: 300 pounds, 600 pounds, and 1,200 pounds. These are all the tools we recommend you have when you install this system. It's recommended to use electrical wire for this installation, 18/4 or 22/4 gauge wire. This wire is a requirement that is needed to connect the maglock, receiver, and exit button. You may also use this wire as an extension for the power supplies. 300 feet maximum with 18/4 gauge wire. This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find this diagram in the OpenSea app, and a printed version of it will be included when your order is shipped. Since there are many different types of applications, we have created several types of different kits in order to supply your specific project. We have kits for Standalone, Wiegand, access control panel, and automatic door opener. With the Wiegand protocol, you will be able to connect your Wiegand keypad and add cards, key tags, and create PIN codes all directly in the app. Now, every time one of your users passes a card through the Wiegand keypad/reader, you will get a push notification on your smartphone stating that the user has unlocked the door. You can also see all the event logs for the door in the events section. You can use any brand of keypad/reader. All you need is to make sure that it's a Wiegand 26 or 34 bits keypad/reader, unless it will not work with our smart controller. Wires must be installed inside the wall. The Wi-Fi smart controller ZEM-CWI will allow you to control remotely via Wi-Fi electric locking devices. Using our OpenSea app and internet access, you can lock and unlock doors from anywhere in the world on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This product has a 3-year warranty. This entry device is an access control keypad and proximity card reader which supports EM card types. An entry device is an access control device that is usually mounted on the exterior non-secured side of the door that it controls. The VIS-3002 is for indoor use only. You can access using card, PIN, Card Plus PIN, or your phone. If you have a phone with NFC built in, you can use it as a card. It's not an additional app. Not compatible with iOS. This product has a 3-year warranty. You may also install the Maglock on almost any type of door, being metal, wood, glass, and others. The Maglock is installed beneath the top of the door frame, and the armature plate is installed on the door to make sure the door remains closed and locked. An electromagnetic lock only needs to be rated for the strength of the door it holds. The door and frame need to be strong enough to be able to utilize the locking force that's available from our Maglocks, 300, 600, or 1,200 pounds. We recommend a 300 to 600 pounds holding force for interior doors and a holding force of 1,200 or more for higher security, such as exterior doors or interior computer room doors. The LED light on the Maglock helps you identify when the Maglock is locked and unlocked. When the light is red, the Maglock is unlocked. When the light is green, the Maglock is locked. Take advantage of our new and improved LED sensor light, wider and brighter. All of our indoor Maglocks come with a contact sensor wire that you can use to connect to a door sensor. This product has a 3-year warranty. The VIS-7013 is a no-touch request to exit button with time delay and for indoor use only. With the no-touch feature, you no longer have to physically push a button to exit. All you have to do is wave your hand and the door will open. This no-touch exit button also includes a delay feature that can be programmed between 0.5 to 22 seconds. A proximity card, or prox card, is a contactless smart card, which can be read without inserting it into a reader device, and they're used as key cards for access control doors in office buildings or other environments with restricted access. A key tag or key fob works similar to a proximity card. Both come with a 125 kHz frequency EM. The difference between the two is its shape and portability. This product has a 3-year warranty. The doorbell speaker that is included in this kit will notify you of a visitor when they press the doorbell on the keypad. In this kit, you'll be able to unlock the door by the keypad/reader, the exit button, a card, or a key tag, and on the ZEM-CWI smart controller by the app. You can also receive push notifications when a user passes the card on the keypad. This will let you know that someone has opened the door. All users can be added through the app. The keypad must be put in Wiegand mode. That is done through the programming of the keypad/reader. The keypad/reader can only be installed in an indoor application or in an application that is not subject to an outside environment like direct rain.